Hello everyone, today is a brilliant weather, so we decided to go somewhere and enjoy a beautiful sunshine. We're heading to County Waterford. We shall see what we're going to show you, but I hope we're going to at least show you two nice things. So keep on watching, and meanwhile I'll be knitting on these socks. You may have seen that now that I knitted these socks before, but unfortunately on the screen now you can see that I got a hole in the toe. So I decided to fix it, and because those socks I knitted a while ago and I did not know how many stitches I need for my size, which is I know now, it's 56 stitches on 2.25mm needles, which is US size 1. I decided to transform these socks and get those toes a little bit longer, make the sock bigger, right, size wise, and give it to Sebastian. Are you happy? He's happy. Those wobbly stitches are because I frocked a toe and I used that yarn, and those nice stitches, as you can see, they're the new yarn. No worries, when we wash it, it's going to blend it nicely, stretch it nicely, block it nicely. Done! Oh yeah, and if you're interested how to finish toes, on the screen now and link down below to tutorial how I do it. So we're in County Wexford, and anyway, this is the oldest working lighthouse in Europe, apparently. I read a few bits and I'm a little bit smarter. So basically this lighthouse has been built in 13th century, the courtyard in the 18th century. It has 4 stories, levels I would say, 115 stairs, and it's still in operation. It has 13th century's fireplace inside, apparently. It has 36 meters high and the walls are 4 meters thick. And it's built in limestone, or with limestone. Isn't it cute? You see this boat? It looks that it's floating in the air, isn't it? Okay, so this is a tomato soup, but the fun part is that it's written down, sorry, in Polish, that it also can contain some seafood. There are actually 3 types, also fish, but it is tomato soup. But the only thing is that you see an anchor, that's the actual name of the brand from 1958. So maybe it's near the sea.
Stitches and knit down, or if they were sewn on. Yeah, they were picked up and sewn and knit down. So super simple, very, very quick, because it's knit with Quince & Company's Kestrel yarn, which is a chunky linen. Exactly. All our projects are on Ravelry, whether they're store samples or knit for us personally. Yeah. So they're all there. And I'm actually wearing Kestrel as well. Right? So your color is ash, and my color is pebble.
Morning everyone! So we visited just the shop and toilets, but we're not going to actually for a tour. You could actually go and climb up there, walk around inside the lighthouse and enjoy it. The cost is €9 in 2018. So here we are, we decided to spend some time over here. Here is a fiver you pay on the way in and then you can enjoy. It's so huge, we shall see how many kilometers we're going to do and just enjoy the day. Relax, do nothing. Well, just walking. They smell unbelievable. There are so many places like this around the park that you can just sit and knit. This smells amazing. Do you know what that is? We're going to use this ferry to get to Waterford.